Well, hello again, guys, back for another lesson. So today should be Thursday, the 26th, and you should have finished these problems on arcs and chords completely. Okay, so we had done 1, 3, and 5 together on our other video. So I'm not going to redo those. I'm going to save my space. So I'm going to do 2, 4, and 6 on this video. And then I have to do a new video for the second page because I can only load a page at a time, but I will definitely do that. So this video, we're going to do 2, 4, and 6. You are to be checking your work as you go through this. Okay? All right, so here we go. This one, number 2. This one's pretty straightforward. We have a chord. We have a little chunk that would be a radius if it extended all the way out, right? Like if this went all the way to the end, it would be a whole radius. Okay, so we've got that radius. We know that it's perpendicular because they got that little box in there. And so do we need to even have this piece of information? Not for this particular problem. We don't need to know that 3.2 is up there. But it's there, but we don't even need it. Okay, so we know from our definition of this radius is perpendicular, then that means it is bisecting. So x is simply 3, because if this half of it is 3, then this half of that chord has to be 3. So it's a simple looking at it and knowing your vocabulary, your chords, your radius, and what it means when it's perpendicular. Okay, that's number 2. Now number 4, look at all the numbers in number 4. Tons and tons of numbers. But what I need you to really notice here is the repeats, okay? Start with the center. We have tons of radii pieces, right? We have center to the edge, radii, 9.7. We have center to edge, another radii, 9.7. Center to edge, another radius for all these radii that we have on here, 9.7. This one now, center all the way out to this edge is another radii. So that's 9.7 also. So if you look at this, you know that you have a little chunk of 5.1. So in order to find out this piece, we're going to use our radius total. We're going to use 9.7 minus 5.1, and that's going to get us our x. Our x value is 4.6. That's our x. This we did not need. We only know it because it's bisecting. We knew that it was there, but it wasn't necessary information. So number 4 is done. All right, number 6. Let's look at number 6, okay? Now this one may be a little bit different for you because this 18.8, sorry guys, might have confused you. The 18.8 is actually referring to the entire diameter, and that may have been confusing. I probably should have clarified that. But it's the entire diameter, all the way up there is all that's 18.8. So now from the center out, this little chunk right here is a radius, right? So how do we get the radius measurement? Well, we have to take half of 18.8, which really means we're entering in our calculator 18.8 divided by 2. So all the radii, radius pieces, are 9.4. But that's not where the x is. The x is only on a part of that. So the x is here. It's on a part of our radius. So we have to use this 4.2 as well. So we have to take 9.4 minus 4.2 to get our x value, which happens to be 5.2. Okay? All right, I hope that helps. I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to do another one. But hey, just so I know that you watched this video, do me a favor. Down here at the bottom, tell me what your favorite ice cream flavor is. And then, write it down on the bottom and then resubmit it today. So ice cream flavor, because you're going to resubmit these. So write that on the bottom. That way I know you watched this video. Mine's vanilla, by the way. Plain old vanilla. All right, guys. See you next video.